Hello student. Uh, I have explained till question number 11. So today we solve the question number 12, 13, 14 and so on. Okay, in exercise 2. So open your book at page G13. I am going to explain question number 12. Look the question. Name all the pair of adjacent angle in each of the following figure. So I am going to explain third part of the question number 12. I have drawn the figure, and in this figure we are going to find the adjacent angles. Okay, so look here how we find the adjacent angle. By definition, you know that two angles are said to be adjacent if they have same vertex having one arm common. If we look angle AOB and angle BOC, then what you find, this OB is the common side and O is the common vertex. So angle AOB adjacent to angle BOC. Okay, this is the one pair of the adjacent angle, and the second pair of adjacent angle, if we consider angle BOC and angle COD, then here OC is the common side and O is the same vertex. So angle BOC is adjacent to angle COD. So now we write the solution of the questions from the figure. Solution: adjacent angle adjacent angles are, the first pair is angle AOB adjacent to angle BOC, and the second pair is angle BOC adjacent to angle COD. Okay, so we write the answer of the question like this. Okay, write down in your copy with the diagram. Now we solve question number 13. Look in the book. Question is there: in the adjoining figure, OA and OB are opposite ray. First question is that if x is equal to 105 degree, then what is the value of y? And if y is equal to 40 degree, then find the value of x. There are the two parts of this question. So OA and OB. So here is O. OA and OB are the opposite ray, and OC is the ray on it. This angle is x degree and this angle is y degree. Then the first question is that if x is equal to 105, then find the value of y. As you know that x and y form the linear pair, and the sum of linear pair is equal to 180 degree. So we apply this rule and find the value of y. Solution of first part: since x and plus y is equal to 180 degree, here we give the reason why we have written linear pair. Due to the linear pair, we have written x plus y equal to 180. But the value of x is equal to 105 degree. So we put the value of this one, 105 plus y degree is equal to 180. Now we transfer 105 to that side, then it gives y is equal to 180 minus 105. Now subtract the value, then 10 minus 5, 5, and here is the 75 degree. This is the answer of the first part. Okay, write down this. in your copy. Now we are going to solve the second part. If y is equal to 40 degree, so again they form the linear pair. So here we write x plus y is equal to 180 degree. But now in second part the value of y is given and we are going to find value of x. So here we write x degree and plus the value of y is 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we transfer this one, then x degree is equal to 180 minus 40, so it gives 140 and this is the x degree. So this is the answer of the question. So like this you solve in your copy. Okay, write down this one. Now question number 40 is the same like I have explained. So this is the homework for you. Now I am going to explain question number 15 and it have a 3 parts. So the first part of this one, the one of the angle forming linear pair is 60 degree, find the other angle. Linear pair means the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. One pair is given, then we are going to find the second one. So we write here the solution of the first part of this question. Since one pair of linear one angle of linear pair is 60 degree. Okay, let the other angle is x degree. So according to definitions or the questions, we write x degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, because these are the linear pair. Now we transfer this angle to that side. So 180 degree minus 60 degree, subtract this one, so it gives 120 degree, and this is the other angle and it is our answer of the question. Okay. Now the next part of this question is that the one angle forming the linear pair is 135, find the other angle. So we do like same way. And the third part of this one, the one of the angle of linear pair is an acute angle, classify the other. So if one pair of the linear pair of angle is the acute angle, then definitely other angle is the obtuse angle. So in this question we are going to classify, so only we write the answer, the other angle is the obtuse angle. This is the answer of the third part of these questions. Okay, so you will do in your copy. So now I am going to explain the question number 16. A diagram is given and we are going to find the value of x in the given diagram. Okay, so as you know that the sum of all angle around a point is equal to 360 degree. So we use this concept and find the value of x. Okay, so solution of question number 16, the first part. Since sum of all angles around a point is 360 degree. So if we add all these angles, their sum should be equal to 360 degree. So here we write, therefore we write x degree plus 60 degree plus 40 degree plus 100 degree plus 75 degree plus 45 degree and this is equal to 360 degree. Okay, now we add all these angles and transfer that side and subtract, get answer of the question. So first of all we add these questions value, then 5 plus 5 10, 0 1 carry, 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12, 12 and plus 10 is equal to 22, 2 carry and plus 1 3, 320, and this is the 360 degree. Check it again. Then 60 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 100 degree. 100 plus 100 200. Okay, now 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, and 7 plus 4 11 plus 11 and plus 1 is equal to 22. Okay, so it gives a 320 degree. Okay, now we transfer this one. Subtract this one. X is equal to 40 degree. And this is the answer of the question. So like this you can solve the next part of the question. Now question number 17. Name all pair of the vertically opposite angles. So you can do these questions, and it in the given figure find the value of x, z and u. You can also do. Okay, so now I am going to explain question number 19. The first part of these questions, find the value of x. I have drawn the diagram of the first part of this question. Okay, and here we are going to find. So how we find this one? Let this angle, first of all we suppose this angle, let this angle be y, and this angle is equal to 6x. Why? Because this is the vertically opposite angle. So due to vertically opposite angle we find this one, and after that we apply the sum of all angle at a point on a straight line is equal to 180 degree, and we find the value of x. Okay, so from figure, since angle y is equal to 6x degree, y, this is the region vertically opposite angle. Now what we do? Sum of all angles at a point on a straight line is 180 degrees. So therefore we write, so therefore 2x degree plus y degree and plus 4x degree is equal to 180. Now we substitute the value of y, and this is the 6x, then 2x degree plus 6x degree plus 4x degree is equal to 180 degree. Now 6 plus 4 10 plus 2 12x, so it gives 12x is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to 6 2 ja 12 and 6 30 ja 180 and 2 1 ja 2 and 2 15 ja. So therefore we get x is equal to 15 degree, and this is our answer. Okay, write down this question in your copy, and the rest question is the homework for you. Okay, thank you.